everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you're taking a closer look at our 2016 GMC Sierra 1500 in the SLE trim. With just over 74,000 miles, this crew cab pickup truck is equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 gas engine. It is 4-wheel drive and it also has a Clean Car Fax. In the front, you will find this GMC Sierra well equipped with high intensity headlights and LED daytime running lights, fog lights integrated into the lower bumper, accompanied by 2 front recovery hooks. Making our way down to the wheel and tire setup, we'll have a 20-inch aftermarket fuel wheel wrapped up in a like-new off-road tire, and we'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the outside, you'll enjoy nice features like tow mirrors with turn signal indicators integrated right into your mirror cap. And on the reverse side, you will have LED reverse lights, again, turn signal indicators integrated into the rear. Your mirrors will also be heated with keyless entry here on the door. Looking inside, you'll be met with a black on black theme with a lot of nice elements, including leather, off-white stitching, faux wood grain, and some brushed aluminum. And as you can see, that will continue throughout the entire interior of this GMC. And once inside, you'll be kept comfortable by these premium cloth seats. Additionally, located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection report. Here you can see all the tires are brand new at 16-30 seconds all the way around. The brake pads are good to go, and everything else is green, checked off by our technicians. And we take care of the wearables here at All Things Automotive, so you don't have to shortly after purchasing a vehicle with us. Looking into the back seat, your passengers will have plenty of space. As you can see, you will have all-weather floor mats back here, storage on the back end of the seats, a little bit of storage here behind your center console with a 12-volt outlet, a fold-down cup holder, and armrest here. Making our way around to the 6.5-foot bed, you will notice some bright tail lights here with your rear integrated step with all your towing equipment, including your 4- and 7-pin wiring and your hitch receiver. Rear camera right here. And you'll have a drop-in bed liner as well. Making our way into the driver door, you'll notice all your powered options such as child safety locks, power windows, power door locks, and power mirror adjustments. To the left of the steering wheel, you will have your integrated trailer brake controller with your 4-wheel drive selections, a general lamp selector, and brightness and dimming controls for your interior and cluster lighting. Additionally, here at All Things Automotive, you will receive 2 keys for your added convenience. As you can see, this key fob is equipped with lock, unlock, remote start, and panic. Upon startup, you can see just right over 74,000 miles or just under 75,000 miles. As far as steering wheel mounted controls are concerned, you will have your cruise control selections to the left, and to the right you'll have a selector for that center screen, and you can pair your phone via Bluetooth and be hands-free. And bringing our attention to the infotainment system and center display, as far as other audio is concerned, you'll have your standard AM, FM, XM radio and Bluetooth connectivity. Once I engage the rear camera, you will notice a nice clear display with your guidance lines as well. You will also have a CD player down below with dual automatic climate control, so either side can stay comfortable. And in the middle, you will have your traction control on and off with your cargo lamp. A little bit of storage down below here, since you do have this open concept here, because you can fit a third rider right in the middle. And as you can see, nice deep storage console here. Up top, you will have an auto dimming rear view mirror with your OnStar and SOS services, bright LED map lights, a little bit of storage here for your sunnies. And of course, you do have integrated garage door openers, and as you can see, you can program up to 3. So let's go ahead and take a look under the hood. Under the hood, you will have your 5.3 liter V8 gas engine. As you can see, super clean, no evidence of exhaust leaks, oil leaks, or anything of that nature. Our crew does a fantastic job of making these vehicles ready for the next buyer. And along with that multi-point inspection, this Sierra has received a fresh oil change, new cabin air filter, and a fresh Pennsylvania state inspection. In the last portion of this video, this is where I'll go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this vehicle. Keeping in mind that it is a pre-owned vehicle, none are perfect, but we do like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. Starting in the front here, you are going to have some cosmetic blemishes here on the hood, some stone chips and scuffs and scratches. Not perfect, okay? This is a 16 with just right under 75,000 miles, so keep that in mind. Your grill insert here is in good shape. Your chrome trim, as you can see, you are going to have a little bit of wear and tear from the road here, so not perfect. And here on your splitter here, your paint match portion of the bumper in the middle, you will have some slight scuffs and scratches, some small stone chips. Bottom bumper fascia, slight discoloration. All in all, decent shape here. Your Flares are going to have some scuffs on them here, as you can see. No curb rash on those nice fuel wheels. And on your mirror caps here, guys, on your tow mirrors, as you can see, no cracks or condensation here on your outer plastic piece there on your markers. And on the other side, just very clean, no discoloration or anything like that. Let's take a look behind the passenger side door handle. As you can see, slight scuffs and scratches. Now you're gonna have some light dust here. It's been in and out of the showroom with the leaves falling and everything. It is fall. Beautiful time of the year here in Fulton County. Looking into the passenger side door card, very nice and clean. No rips, stains, or tears. Slight scuffs here on the bottom of the hard plastic. Coming into the interior and trim pieces around your glove box, very clean. And I'm not seeing any discoloration or staining on the seats. No odors, so super important here at All Things Automotive, no smoke odors. Let's go ahead and go around to the rear door of the back seat. You are going to have some discoloration with your cloth seats in the rear. Some slight discoloration here on the back end of the seats. Of course, carpets underneath. Nice and clean there. Like new all-weather floor mats. Again, headliner is nice and clean. No dents or dings here on the bedside at the passenger side. A little bit of curb rash here on that wheel. Again, guys, these are priced accordingly and priced aggressively. Tail light here, slight scratch there. And on the bed here, you are gonna have some cosmetic blemishes, just like here and on the top of the bed rail. Chewed up a little bit from cargo, going in and out, not perfect. Top of the bed rails, same story here. Your bed liner, again, it has been used as a truck and that is okay. No dents or dings coming up the driver's side here. Nice black exterior, Onyx Black, I believe is what GMC calls it, almost like a jet black. Scuffs and scratches right behind your door handle here. So the paint's not perfect here on this truck, guys. Just want you to know. I want you to be aware of that. So if you have any questions on this GMC Sierra, give us a call at All Things Automotive, 717-485-4224. Hit option 3 for sales. Additionally, you can shop online 24/7 at allthingsautomotive.com. And you can even get yourself pre-approved. It's a super easy process. It only takes about 10 minutes of your time. And make sure you ask your sales consultant about extended coverage because this Sierra will qualify. So again, my name is Trent. Thank you guys for watching. Come on out and see us, 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Please like and subscribe.